Hello, I'm Aishali Kohli and you're watching NewsX. Now viewers, today I have some disturbing news to give you. I'm talking about Anunay Sood's death. Yes, he's passed away at just the age of 32. For all of you who don't know who he is, well, he's a Dubai-based travel influencer who's passed away recently at the age of just 32 years, as I told you. His family, viewers, has confirmed this news through an Instagram post. Now, viewers, he was, of course, a very, very well-known influencer who has about 1.4 million followers on Instagram. And not just that, he has 380,000 subscribers on YouTube. He's, of course, he was very fond of traveling during his life and he's traveled to more than 46 countries. But other than that, he has been in the list of Forbes India top 100 digital stars. And this is not just for 1 year, but that's happened for 3 consecutive years. Other than that, viewers, now the point of contention, the strange part about this disclosure that has been made by his family is that the reason for the death has not been disclosed yet. Now, viewers, before this, just 2 weeks back, Anunay posted many pictures on his Instagram. He was in Las Vegas and he was at Concourse at Wynn in Las Vegas, which is a location which holds, which showcases exclusive ultra-luxury automotive events and shows one of the world's most beautiful cars and the rarest of cars. So, of course, he was very fond of cars. He was very fond of travel. And just 2 weeks back, he made this post. He posted a lot of nice pictures on Instagram from Vegas. So, but, we're all wondering what the reason of his death is. He was, of course, very young. Was it an illness or what's happened? We don't know yet. But, of course, he was a very, very influential, he was a very, very, he was an influencer with so many followers and so much work, body of work that he had behind him. So we just had to inform you of this influencer's death at the, he was very, very young. So we're all wondering how he's passed away, but we're going to wait for that disclosure and we'll keep you updated. For more stories like this, stay tuned to NewsX and keep watching us. Thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.